Imagine finishing your upholstery work without tripping over cords or hunting for the nearest outlet. The Greenworks 24-volt crown stapler delivers consistent power with rechargeable performance, shooting 3-topic 8-inch narrow crown staples straight and jam-free. Its lightweight feel gives you control during long jobs, while the LED indicator keeps you charge-aware. Ideal for furniture, crafts, or decor. You can work faster, cleaner, and with more confidence. No cords, no fuss, all precision. Light up any situation with the ultra-powerful Woobin G5 rechargeable everyday carry flashlight. With up to 1,500 lumens and 5 brightness modes, this compact powerhouse packs a serious punch despite its small size. A USB-C rechargeable battery eliminates constant replacements, while the IPX8 waterproof rating and military-grade construction stand up to rain, drops, and rough handling. Attach it to your keys or pocket. This is peace of mind in light form. Turn your open doorway into a bug-free zone without fuss. The Ugo self-sealing magnetic screen door allows easy entry and exit, pets, kids, or groceries, while the powerful magnet snaps shut behind you instantly and quietly. Crafted from heavy-duty mesh with reinforced stitching, it keeps out mosquitoes, flies, and summer pests. Enjoy fresh air and natural light without unwanted guests. Snap it on in minutes and enjoy hands-free comfort all season. Maintain a polished look wherever you go with the ear and nose hair trimmer clipper. Equipped with a dual-edge stainless steel blade system and hypoallergenic attachments, it trims unwanted hair quickly and painlessly. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, while the high-speed motor ensures smooth, quiet operation. Perfect for travel, gym bags, or work drawers. No more embarrassing stray hairs. Stay confident, sharp, and ready for close-ups every day. Flat tires happen when you least expect it, but the Astro AI portable tire inflator air compressor is here to help. This compact 12-volt powerhouse pumps up tires fast, with digital precision and automatic shutoff when it reaches your set pressure. The bright backlit LCD makes nighttime use hassle-free, and the high-pressure hose fits cars, bikes, and SUVs. Keep one in your trunk and never dread roadside emergencies again. Fast inflation and fast peace of mind. When accuracy is non-negotiable, the Klein Tools 8-inch magnetic billet level delivers every time. Machine billet aluminum resists warping, while precision vials with high contrast coloring keep your readings sharp. Strong magnets cling to pipes, steel studs, and conduit, leaving your hands free for adjustments. Whether building frames, leveling shelves, or installing equipment, this dependable tool ensures professional results you can see. It's built tough and built to last. Need serious leverage? The Spec Ops 30-inch wrecking crowbar handles demolition the way a wrecking crew would. Constructed from hardened, high-carbon steel, it slices through wood, nails, drywall, and stubborn debris without bending. The teardrop hole provides easy gripping, while the tapered claw digs in with minimal damage. Ideal for gutting projects, firewood prep, or emergency rescues. Keep it close, and no obstacle stands a chance. Electrical repairs just got smarter. The Kaiweets non-contact voltage tester senses live wires from a safe distance, alerting you with beeps and display readings. The 3 to 1,000 volt detection range covers household, automotive, and industrial wiring. With visual and audible feedback, testing becomes intuitive. Compact, pocket-sized, and powered by a long-lasting battery, this tool keeps you safe and confident in every job, whether pros or DIY weekend warriors. Jump into DIY or home improvement with a complete 8-volt cordless drill kit. Compact yet powerful, this kit includes fast-charging batteries and drill bits for drilling, screwing, and assembling. The carrying case keeps everything organized in one place. Whether hanging picture frames, setting up furniture, or fixing cabinets, this drill delivers reliable torques without bulk or complex cords, a ready-to-go starter kit for homeowners and handy folks. Got small jobs? The Jorst 38-piece precision screwdriver set covers every nut, screw, and circuit. With Phillips, flathead, hex, Torx, and even specialty bits for phones, laptops, and eyeglasses, this set has your back. Magnetic tips make it easy to hold tiny parts under tight spaces, and the sturdy case keeps bits organized. Perfect for tech work or intricate crafts. A handy toolkit that fits in your pocket, but unlocks big fixes,